Hello guys, so last time we did a test for a wide angle lens for Sony, which is for crop sensor, the 11 millimeter. But today's vlog, guys, we will try the widest lens from Canon series. It's a full frame Canon. So today we're gonna try to check the quality of this Canon lens RF 16 millimeter f2.8. So I'm using now the lens with the Canon R6 Mark II, and yeah, this is the quality. And let's try and check the settings first. I'm gonna use 4K. I'll try to use a 4K. Okay, so now I'm shooting with the 4K 24p, and our settings is 1 is to 50 for the shutter, f2.8 for the lens, of course, and the aperture is f2.8 again, and ISO we put in auto ISO. How are you, pare? Good. So this is the Canon RF 16 millimeter f2.8. So this is the widest lens. It's like a pancake. So this is a pancake lens from a Canon RF series, which is full frame RF. So yeah, this is the quality of the Canon RF 16 millimeter. Nindot ba yo? 16? So ayan, si Palaboy OFW, tinan mo. Ah, 16 by? 16. Yes. Factory outside. So yan, factory outside. Factory outside. So again, this is the quality of the Canon R6 Mark II. No? Ganda, di ba? Panalo. So, yan. I'll test more videos with the R6 Mark II. Sorry, with the RF 16 millimeter 2.8. So, yan. Panalo, di ba? So, it's good for vlogging. Even if you have crop sensor, you can use this R16. But I think it's not 16. It will uh, crop to 1.6 millimeter. Yeah, 1.6. So let's try to use with the crop sensor camera. Tara. Hello guys, so again we are shooting at the Canon EOS R50 with a 16 millimeter lens from Canon, again the RF 16 millimeter at 2.8, and we are shooting at full HD 25p with the shutter of 1 is to 50, 2.8 aperture, and the ISO 160. So this is the quality, and yeah, when you make a vlogging style, it will be wider. So, but if you choose the 4K, I think it will be crop a little. I'm not sure, but we will try to use also with the 4K. So, I think this is the quality of the full HD with the 16 millimeter for the focusing. We will try also how it looks, uh, how fast when we make a autofocus. Okay, okay, face recognition is there, and yeah, eye focus. So get yeah. So I think the focusing is fast with this lens and the camera, which is R50. So yeah. So again, we will try to switch again in 4K mode. So yeah. So this is the 4K 25p on the Canon EOS R50 with this lens 16 RF 16 millimeter f2.8. So again, the quality, I think it's not that crap. I'm not sure, but yeah, this is again, this you can check the 4K and the Full HD. Again, I'm recording at 4K resolution of this lens. Nice. So I like the quality, guys. So 16 is perfect for R50 also. So if you have the R50 and looking for a wider lens with the fixed aperture f2.8, then try to check the 16 millimeter f2.8 from Canon RF. So yeah, and we will again uh, put the 16 into the full frame camera. So, okay, this is the Canon R6 Mark II in the 16 millimeter f2.8. Let's see how the focus reacts and yeah, how the autofocus faster compared for crop frame. Yeah, again, R6 Mark II with 16 millimeter f2.8. Yeah, so and guys, I think that's it for today. Again, if you are looking or searching for a pancake lens for your vlog, and yeah, this is a perfect vlogging lens for your Canon R R series full frame, like R6, R8, yeah, RP, and of course EOS R, and even for a crop frame like R50. This is the best for R50. It's yeah, 16 millimeter, and that's too wide. For full frame, it's very too wide, guys. So yeah, it's very nice. Check daw bay, nindot pa bay.
Hi guys, what's up? Palaway or you here. This is my channel, and now I think reading this. Shrinking for this is using as a smartphone. One game on.
So that's it for today, guys. Again, if you want to check the lens, the price and availability of the lens, the Canon RF 16 millimeter f2.8, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. Or if you want to test and check and try all the demo that we have, you can visit us here in Megastore Symphony Showroom. Yan, in Salmiya, here in Kuwait. So yeah, I think that's it for today. Again, our website, www.abworld.com. All the Canon cameras is already there. Canon cameras, lenses, ENG camera, cinema camera. So we have already here, guys. Yan. I think that's it for today. Thank you and mabuhay.